The Combat Training Center, CTC, is an evaluation tool that makes it possible to practice combat against an enemy in a realistic environment. CTC is used to evaluate the individual soldier irrespective of rank. This is a means of raising performance levels for both the individual and the unit.
Jag som vagnchef får en mycket bättre helhet för det som har hänt ute på fältet. Under själva genomförandet så är jag ju ganska koncentrerad på det som händer i just min vagn. Här har jag då möjlighet att få upp ögonen för det som utspelar sig på plutonen och även i hela kompaniet.
This results in a high and even unit quality. The size of the exercising unit is the decisive factor when choosing to follow the exercise from one or two CTC centers. Two centers allow for exercises of up to battalion size. A CTC center consists of a network of computers that gather, store and process information from the battlefield, all in real time. The center also allows the viewer to watch ongoing elements of a battle in a 3D environment. CTC works together with the Army's laser simulators, the BT equipment that is used to simulate shots and hits from the majority of weapon systems. The shot simulators are fitted onto the soldiers' and vehicles' weapons. Mine simulator equipment is fitted to the extreme rear of the combat vehicle. The equipment indicates when the vehicle is driving over mines laid out in the terrain. The short-range modem is a radio modem with a range limited to 50 meters. The modem sends and receives information to and from the target simulators worn by the soldiers and from the mine sensors on the combat vehicles. When a soldier is hit, his short-range modem communicates with the RF modem on the vehicle. The RF modem is a radio modem with a range of around 15 kilometers. The modem is directly linked to the CTC center. For long distances, the signals travel via a relay station. This means that the CTC can follow a battle from distances of up to 35 kilometers. A GPS aerial is fitted to the roofs of all vehicles. It is connected to the vehicle's RF modem. The aerial receives radio signals from the GPS system's satellites. The CTC center can then obtain a movement and positional fix on the vehicle. In preparation for a training week, the BT and fire marking equipment is fitted by the unit.
Det som ska ske på denna platsen är att ni ska utrustas med STA-utrustning, det som finns på vagnarna och i vagnarna här. Jag har sett en del på genomgången inne under förmiddagen.
When the CTC arrives at the unit, the equipment is complemented with radio modems and mine simulators. This equipment is fitted by the CTC personnel together with the exercising unit. The exercise is followed by a number of battle adjudicators. Their task is to observe and report events on the battlefield to the CTC center. In this way, they complement the results from the simulators in order to give the most accurate picture of the battle. The battle adjudicators can also obtain a correct situational picture of the battlefield via the portable computers that communicate with the CTC center. A battle adjudicator can follow foot soldiers or a unit that doesn't have a combat vehicle. This is made possible by a backpack assembly in which the modem and antennae are fitted. Direct fire is simulated with the help of weapons simulators on handheld and vehicle-mounted weapons. Shot and hit results are noted and transferred to the CTC center. Indirect fire is led and carried out by the exercising unit's fire control officer.
Det som är bra att efteråt kan man då se på utvärderingarna hur man sköt tillsammans med kompaniets rörelser.
The effect depends on the type of grenade, ammunition quantity and the vehicle in question, as well as the soldier's protection level. Fire marker cars are in place during the exercise and mark the indirect fire with bang and smoke effects. This is so that soldiers in the immediate area will notice the shooting and react in a suitable way. Air attacks can also be simulated for practice against an aerial threat. If the air defense unit cannot succeed in its task, this will have consequences for ground troops. In CTC exercises with NBC weapons, soldiers must use special filters in their protective masks. These are distributed by CTC. The filter can sense breathing rates. If the filter is not used when the alarm goes, the soldier will be injured. In a CTC exercise, mines play an important role. A CTC exercise can include the use of various types of mine, for example, laterally explosive mines. The mine simulator equipment on the vehicle senses whether a laid anti-tank mine is full width or pressure triggered. CTC can simulate minefields that are placed out virtually from the CTC center. Remote mine laying can also be simulated. Battle adjudicators can also lay and clear minefields via a modem terminal with GPS. When a vehicle is hit, a battle damage card is used. This shows the damage suffered by the vehicle and which soldiers in the vehicle have been wounded.
Tomträff till 15 grader, sida högerriktad träffade. Småsplitter in i stridsrummet, riktade funktion. Skytten skadad!
The information from this card is used to practice medical care and repair services during the exercise. When a soldier is wounded, information about the type of injury can be read on a personal injury card. This information can also be used to practice medical care. After the battle is over, a basis for evaluation can be decided upon. This can consist of parts of the radio recording, fire statistics for each unit, parts of the 3D recording, video sequences and photographs from the battlefield, and the vehicle's movement on the map. During evaluation, collated parts of the exercise are replayed. CTC personnel, together with the command from the exercising unit, highlight selected events and discuss the course of the battle with the soldiers and officers involved.
Stått i ett utgångsläge och fått uppgift att anfalla i nordvästlig riktning.
Vi hör då motorbuller, vi har stängt av motorerna igen och lyssnar. Och när vi då hör motorbuller så lämnar bärarbandvagnen oss och vi 2 stridsvagnar går upp i eldställning på höjden.
It's extremely valuable to have the opportunity to try out new behavior, to make mistakes and to draw one's own conclusions.
Hur ska kompaniet agera? Från kompanichef ner till plutonchef, ner till enskild grupp och gruppchef. Hur ska de agera i kompaniets ram? Det tycker jag att STA hjälper mig med.
Robotgruppen i sin helhet, vad har ni lärt er till nästa gång?
Ja, vi ska nog försöka ha en eldställning närmare vagnen.
Eldställning närmare vagnen, varför det?
Därför att ta skydd i den istället för att slänga backen.
In this way, the unit's ability can be built up in a very realistic environment. In order to provide a picture of the effects that the simulated weapon systems have in reality, various films are shown of real battle injuries.
Än en gång, en mycket bra och en kort och koncis order som inte kunde missförstås. Trots att det blev bekymmer löste ni det allt ifrån att plutonchefen inte hörde någonting till att det blev en ny framryckningsväg.
During an exercise week with CTC, several modules will be carried out. Where necessary, opportunity will be provided, after evaluation, to repeat a certain element of the battle. Otherwise, the exercise will continue towards a new goal. This means that there is room for making mistakes, learning from them, and repeating an element of the battle with a better result. Thanks to the lessons learned during exercises, the Army Combat School and CTC can develop combat technology and weapon systems for use together with the unit undertaking the exercise. CTC assists units in developing exercises for various training requirements. And at the end of the training session, a CD-ROM containing the training elements is handed over to enable the unit to continue the exercise.
Ja, jag ser många fördelar med STA. De största är dels att vi får väldigt motiverade soldater och befäl, men också att vi får en mycket hög grad av realism i våra övningar. Man bör träna med varje stridande kompani minst en gång per år.
CTC trains with both Swedish and foreign units and follows exercises in various areas of conflict. CTC also supports the civilian community by participating in exercises with the emergency services and the police and takes part in various scenarios where the civilian community might be threatened. CTC can help test and develop new technology and test various combat techniques and organizational forms. By training with CTC, soldiers and officers can learn from each other in a very realistic environment.